Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. When I was younger, I remember the ski resort that I grew up skiing at used to give out piping hot apple cider. We're talking like Santa of the Sun, burn your mouth hot. So with that inspiration in mind, I wanted to make a flavorful and adult version of this drink that won't burn your mouth, but is loaded with flavor. And so I give you the spiked and spiced hot apple cider. So to begin, I'll start by lightly toasting some whole spices to bring out their flavor. And into a pot, I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, followed by 1 whole Star Anise, which will add a lovely licorice undertone to the cider. The next spice that I'm using is 1 tablespoon of allspice that is used to enhance the other spices present in this blend. And finally, I'm adding 6 whole cloves to round out that mix, and that's being toasted inside the pot. Over medium heat, I'll begin swirling the spices until the room begins to smell with wondrous aromas. Then to make 2 servings of this drink, I'm going to add 3 cups of organic apple juice to the pot that contains the spices. The last spice that I'm adding to this drink is 20 grams of freshly diced ginger, which is about a 2-inch piece before you remove the skin and dice it up. Then I'll let the apple juice come to a simmer and I'll let the spices steep at a simmering temperature for about 10 minutes. If you want to make this for a party or a larger batch, I would suggest using a crock pot to keep it warm and allow the flavors to continue to develop over time as they sit in the crock pot. Now that the spices have fully infused into the cider, I'm adding 1 shot of spiced rum into the bottom of a heat-proof glass and pouring the hot cider over a metal sieve into a glass to catch any whole spices that fall out during this transfer process. Now it's finally time to enjoy the perfect blend that comes from the sweetness in the apple juice, the lovely toasted spices, finished with the sharpness of the rum. And with the hot cider in the glass, it's time to sit next to a warm fire on a cold night and enjoy this seasonal cocktail. Now with all that said, thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button for cocktails to keep you warm this winter, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.